Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's see what made the list. Boy, Nikki, what can we say? What can go so? Just last week, her house was almost taken, and now this week, she's the president's biggest fan. And remember the Deport Nikki Back to Trinidad petition? It did the exact opposite of what it was intended for. Nikki posted up her $1 million gold citizenship card this week and said, well, she then doubled down and let us know that although the price is a price, she never pay no $1 million for get it. I guess her links them to like that. All right, girl. Make I drink my water and mind my business. Leela is a Grammy goodaz. Not only did her very first album get nominated for the Best Reggae Album category, but she's also set to perform at the Grammys premiere ceremony. Leela girl, a year-winning season now. Tech Life. Spice said she's ready to do a gospel album, not become a gospel artiste. The Queen said she was inspired after her 7 surgeries and near-death experience. Big up to you, y'all, Spice. All Chronixx fans, head to Hope Gardens on February 28th and March 1. Yup, it is confirmed. Chronixx will be headlining day 2 of the Lost in Time Festival. We haven't seen Chronixx for a minute, so this is definitely a treat. And finally holding the spot this week, sad news for Kiprich and Kizzy. Unfortunately, their baby girl who was born prematurely passed away earlier this week. We can't even imagine how they're feeling, but we're sending them nothing but love. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG and TikTok at TVJ Intense. Up next, Chris Sato talks music. Intense soon forward.